So you're not gonna like me for. Let me tell you something. Miss Donna, you can't create a problem. Right? You can't create a problem and then you hide a hand and you and run away. You understand? You are creating a problem amongst us, the bloggers. And then when we are back and forth at each other, you come out and say, me no know what them a call me name for, or you turn a blind eye, or you not care. But you caused the problem. You are the one who is causing the problem and the divide amongst us. You understand what I say? You are the one who come out and you highlight we, and you big we up. All the people them were, some people where you highlight, me would have never ever highlight them in a million years. Not because them are right for me, but me I think well morally. You understand? What are they doing? What are they saying? How are they behaving? So I'm not going to highlight you. No matter, not because you are riding for me, you know. Me not go. You understand? So you breed we up. You breed we up. And then when one of we disagree with the other one, right? And then we kind of split and sides are being taken now, then we are back and forth with each other. You understand? And then whosoever come out and defend you the most, you understand? You put them up. Right? You put them up. Now, when you highlight them and you put them on your page, which is what you did with HEK, and that is fine. You can do anything that you want. You understand what I'm saying? Because I know say if somebody have a business, you like to promote them or whatever. But aside from that, you also promote a lot of bloggers, right? And them come with pure contention. Pure contention and problem. Some of them are cause the most problem. And you know what you're doing, but still you continue doing this now. And that's why I say, look at this. Two professional people, yeah? And look how not fall in a trap and not realize. Because the fact that this, you can see this, you know, look a feud brewing. And HTK review, Lady V, what Lady V said about the charity. And Miss Donna preferred what head teacher K over what Lady V said, because maybe that look like so what Lady said was saying about the charity, you know, like Miss Donna agree with that, or you know sit well with her, or maybe she feel like say it goes for her or something like that. So she posted about what HTK say about the charity, right? Now when you do that now, HTK, right, of course her following will go up. A lot of people will go over there and follow her. So because of that, she's going to feel like she has to be loyal to you, right? She's grateful, because we know so when it comes down to following, views and whatever, it generates an income and it can change your life. You understand? It improve things. It contribute to something. Even if it's a bill, it contribute to it. So she's going to be grateful. She's going to be thankful. So therefore, she's going to always want to be in your corner, even when she knows that maybe you do something where no 100, you know, no right or whatever, you know. It's like she gonna feel the need for come out and try to find ways of having to defend you or to make you look nice. She's going to try to find these ways, right? And solutions, or make people look on certain things in a different way. You understand what I'm saying? Because maybe deep down she not gonna maybe want to come out straight. Because one day me a pass through, you know, I remember something, right? And instead of she just say, yes, this was wrong, she went around and she said this, even though she said yes, you know, she find other to fix it up and polish it and make it look good. Right? It is just the truth. Because when somebody like Miss Donna highlights you, right? You feel so good. You know, the masses are gonna follow you, the masses are gonna love you, the masses are gonna, you know, you are not going to want to go against them, because you know, so them come with a large following. And you are indoctrinated in the family. It's just the truth. Me not depend on side and me can't talk. You don't want to hear it, but the truth. And Miss Donna breed you up, and then when we start fight and bicker amongst one another, she pull herself out and say, you know, me no want to no call me name, and me and nobody and a friend in a phone. Then she and the people them a friend in a the phone. You understand? She a big them up, she a tell them, jeez. And then them come out and fight for her. So right there, so now, where she do this, where she do this, right there, so now, she kind of cause problem with these two professional people, a psychologist and a teacher. You understand? But at them now have to be smart and realize that, you know what, we're big people, we're grown, we're intelligent people. We don't need to do this with each other. I don't have to put you down. I don't have to call you out of your name for me to get my point across, or for me to, disagree with what you're saying. I can say, okay, I hear what you're saying, but let me just clarify something and let me just add something to what you're saying. But I don't need to be disrespectful. I don't have to call you, the lady with the alphabet, because me, as me say before, Lady V, somebody will cuss me and tell me off and tell me I'm mine, and people cuss me for her and trace me for her. You understand? But I've never called her out of her name. Me call her name. Anybody when me talk, but me call them name because I blog. When you're blogging, you're supposed to can't call the name, you call the person name because you're not saying anything really bad about the person, right? You're talking about something. You understand? You see them something I want to do on social media, this disrespect. On a post this and throw on a word and call on one another names and I said this and don't do it. Don't let nobody make us stoop to a certain level. Me I beg on in the name of Jesus. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, you can't sit down and open on your eyes, no? You can't open on your eyes. That's why when we talk about, recruiting and alliance and size, you think somebody don't know what me I talk about? A real thing me I talk about. I want to see it for yourself. You must see it, but you don't want to talk. And some of you don't see it, you just want to be a part of a clan. You don't want to be a part of the group. You understand? You don't want to build nothing. You don't want to get there. Right? I find the whole thing so hilarious. These two intelligent people who should be setting an example for us. We the look one them when not so bright. And only the two are supposed to command the space. There's nothing to compete about. There's nothing to fight about. There's nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing. Do you understand me? I say? Nothing. It is so funny. Gone were the days, remember when people used to say, oh, my bad man, they for your education. And I'm like, why me with a bad mind? Me have common sense. You understand? And me can think for myself. And me can listen and understand. Say, you know what, this not sound right, or me disagree with it. It doesn't mean say, okay, I'm smarter than them. You can't take the pressure and you can't take the heat. Because I don't see why me being in the diaspora is supposed to bother on so much. It don't really bother me. Me know so when the time comes, I'm going to have nothing against nobody at all. Nothing whatsoever. Right? Let's go. All right. So you have a Lady V, right? We all know Lady V. Everybody know Lady V, right? And you also have head teacher K. She recently come on the scene. She kind of new, right? All right. These two women, they're very, very intelligent ladies, highly intelligent. You think that they're sensible. You understand? You think that they're sensible, but they're not so sensible when you think about it. But they're highly intelligent.